Wow! Highlight on fleek! Hi guys! Rhazel here! Today, meron na naman tayong Maganda Ba ang MURA episode. I will be featuring products from Mumuso, Menow, and Daiso. Meron ako isa from Menow and isa from Daiso. Ito yung makeup look na I came up with. Please take note na hindi to tutorial or makeup look ha. Gusto ko lang talaga i-try yung eyeshadow. If hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, please click the subscribe button below. We're so close to 100,000 subscribers, you guys. Hashtag road to 100k. Salamat sa mga support ninyo. Thank you so much sa mga nakasubscribe na. If hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, please click the subscribe button. It's free. It will take you a few seconds. And thank you so much for doing that. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and start with a review. So I already applied my primer, foundation, and na-powder ko na din yung mukha ko because wala akong ganun na bago na itatry. So na-apply ko na yun, and then I will go ahead and proceed sa mga itatry natin. I will start sa Daiso na Eyebrow Pencil. Ito binigay sa akin ni Belle of Jubelita. Meron siyang YouTube channel. I will leave the link below. I believe this is only 88 pesos. This one is in the shade brown. Hindi ko alam kung ilang shades meron sila, guys. Isa-swatch ko muna siya on the back of my hand kasi usually yung first layer, kapag bago yung eyebrow product, hindi siya ganun ka-easy i-apply. And ganyan yung swatch niya. What a great swatch! Wow, my eyebrows though, really bushy! Okay, close up tayo. Okay, it's not bad. Hindi ko siya sobrang dinidiin, pero sumusulat naman siya. So, masasabi ko na pigmented siya. And, mamaya ko na sabihin kung okay na okay yung color. Actually, not bad at all. Ito yung merong spoolie sa other end. Touch-touch ko lang yung spoolie niya just to see if sobrang rough. Hindi naman ganun ka-rough yung spoolie. Gagamitan ko lang siya para i-blend yung nasa inner corners. Na-feature ko sa February favorites ko yung Goof Proof from Benefit. Magkapareho sila ng style na merong ganitong klaseng end dito. Tapos meron din siyang spoolie. Mas gusto ko yung spoolie ng Benefit kasi mas maliit siya compare dito. Mas malaki to. Hindi na siya masama, ha? For 88 pesos, that is not bad at all. And match siya sa ends ng aking buhok ng konti. Dito kasi dark na siya eh. Pero yeah, not bad at all. Hindi ko to isi-set para matest talaga natin kung it will stay all day. And then, magpo-proceed na ako sa eyeshadow. So, I have here from Mumuso, Korea. Ito, yung binigay sa akin naman ni Kerwin, Kiwi Kawaii sa YouTube. Ililive ko yung link niya below. Ito yung eyeshadow na merong 5 shades. Oh, meron siyang ganito dito, guys. Hala. Ngayon ko lang yan alam. Naano mo siya dito, na-open mo siya dito. And meron siyang sponge tip applicator. Kaya lang hindi siya ma-open all the way. Parang na-stuck yung sponge tip dun. I need to open this. Oh my gosh! My nails! Gee! Wow! Maganda yan pang highlight. Hala! Yan yung ito na shade. And then, ito. Actually, not bad. Ooh, pigmented, pigmented. Yan, hindi masyadong pigmented, but hey. And then, itong black. Ooh, not bad, you guys. Excited ako dito para highlight. Gagamitin ko yung highlight mamaya. Oh, bongga, guys. Na-open ko na siya. Meron siyang mirror dito, oh. Wow! Hindi nga lang siya ganun kadali i-open, but nice surprise! Meron siyang mirror, tapos meron siya nito. Na-apply ko na yung primer ko, na-set ko na din siya. I'm just gonna wing it kasi hindi ko alam kung anong look yung makukuha mo dito sa shades na to. Wala kasing matte. I will start dito sa shade sa gitna. And then, i-apply ko siya dyan. Mahirap siya gawa ng look kasi wala siyang matte na transition shade. Char, meron na talaga akong ganon. Paano na talaga akong correct dito? I will take my Bonita Cosmetics Flawless Contour Kit. Gagamitin ko lang itong shade na to para maging transition shade ko. Gagamitin ko tong shade na to and ilalagay ko siya sa inner corners ng aking mata kasi nung sinwatch ko siya kanina, maganda siya pang highlight. Lagay ko din siya dito, konti lang. Blend natin yan kasi medyo chunky siya, tingnan. Maganda yung highlight, especially dito sa inner corner, oh. Yung under the brows, kailangan mo lang siya i-blend ng maayos talaga kasi kapag hindi, it can look like over. Sa kabilang lids, I will use this shade right here kasi it looks similar sa centers. I'm using the sponge tip applicator again. It's definitely not exactly the same color but it's similar. Lalagay ko lang siya yung same shade kanina as my transition shade. And wala siyang fallouts ha, in fairness. I-apply ko din yung same highlight sa inner corner because I'm liking the way that looks. Sa brows, easy lang tayo sa brow bone. Gusto kong gamitin yung black. Parang satin siya na black. Yeah, it's a satin shade. Ilalagay ko lang tong black na to sa outer corner. Very outer V. Just to give like depth to the look. Char! Okay, so that's what it looks like right now. Hindi ganun ka the best yung black na eyeshadow. Pero, hindi na masama. Wala pa din siyang fallouts, which is good. Hindi ko na itatry ito kasi nung sinwatch ko siya, like, I'm sure hindi siya maganda. And hindi ko na din alam kung saan ko siya ilalagay dyan sa mata ko. I have here the Mumuso Smooth Black Matte Liquid Eyeliner. This is 99 pesos as well. Lahat ng product from Mumuso is only 99. Cute yung packaging niya all red. And yung applicator niya is ganyan. We will swatch it. Okay, good luck sa akin. Good luck, good luck, good luck, good luck. In fairness naman sa kanyang swatch, very pigmented and very black as well. And nagset na siya and matte talaga siya. Not bad, not bad. Very black. Sobrang kinakabahan lang ako kasi kapag nag-eyeliner ako, sobrang kinakabahan ako kasi I don't wanna mess it up. And alam niyo naman, hindi ako pro. But actually, it's not bad. Look at that. Medyo scary lang siya at first. Like, kapag galing talaga siya dito, medyo scary siya. So, kailangan mo lang siyang iswatch ng maraming beses para makuha yung parang lump ng product. If it focuses at all, come on! See, medyo lumpy siya tingnan. So, make sure na isa-swatch mo siya kasi kapag diniretso mo siya sa mata mo, see? Yan yung ibig kong sabihin. Kapag diniretso mo yun sa mata mo, ganyan yung magiging itsura. So, kinailangan ko siyang iswatch ng maraming beses kanina. Actually, 2 beses lang. Just to make sure na hindi na lumpy yung product dito. Guys, it's very pigmented. Kahit na naswatch ko na siya ng maraming beses on the back of my hand, pag-apply ko dito, pigmented pa rin siya. Hindi ako mag-wing kasi ayoko na masira yung buong makeup ko dahil sa wing-wing na yan. As of now, hindi pa siya nag-set into like completely matte. So, tignan natin mamaya kung ano magiging itsura niya. But so far, so good. Now, I will go ahead sa mascara. So, I have here Mumuso mascara na again, 99 pesos lang. Ang ganda ng packaging. Gold. Curl ko lang yung aking lashes. Ganyan yung wand niya. Ang laki-laki ng wand. Hindi ako masyadong mahilig sa ganitong wand. Kasi I just feel like it's like, you know, too big. Para sa akin, kasi yung mata ko, kahit na malaki yung tignan, maliit yan. Oh, it's giving me that very nice, separated, natural lashes look. Lalagay ko siya dito sa bottom lashes. I should shut up kasi baka I will mess this up. Kapag ina-apply mo siya, parang walang nalalagay na product sa eyelashes mo. I'm actually really liking the look that it gives sa lashes ko. So far, I'm really liking the mascara. I will apply one more coat and tingnan natin kung ano magiging itsura niya. Guys, I'm actually really liking the way it looks. 2 coats na siya, pero my lashes still looks really separated. Hindi siya nagka-clump at all. Yung bristles kasi ng wand niya, marami, tapos separated din. As you guys can see, hindi ganun ka-close. Looks like hindi niya na-maintain ng maayos yung curl ng aking lashes. Kasi parang nakikita ko na bumupunta na pag ganun yung aking lashes. We'll see mamaya kung ano magiging itsura niyan. Pero na-separate niya ng maayos yung lashes ko. Tapos, nag-provide din siya ng length. Not so much volume, pero pinahaba niya yung lashes ko tingnan. So, that's good. Meron ako nitong soft lipstick from Mumuso na 99 pesos lang din. Again, ilang beses ko na masabi, lahat ng product from Mumuso is 99. It is bright red, as you guys can see. Saan ko na siya isa-swatch? Dito. I don't think I will use this today. Kasi I'm just not into that shade. Tapos meron din siya nitong smudger sa kabilang end niya na you can use to smudge the lipstick. Well, I can see that working actually. Pero nga lang, hindi ganyan yung shade na gusto ko na ilagay sa lips ko today. So I will be using a different lipstick. I have this Menow Kissproof Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. This one is in the shade 212. Yung shade na 205, I really like. Na-feature ko yun sa February favorites ko. We'll see kung magugustuhan ko din yung shade na 212. Na-try ko na to once, pero hindi ko siya nasuot for more than 2 hours, I think. Kasi tinanggal ko siya agad-agad. So, we'll see today kung maglalast talaga siya sa lips and kung kasing ganda siya nung isang shade na meron ako. Sobrang dali mag-set itong lipstick na to, guys. Kakatapos ko pa lang niya i-apply and nagsiset na siya. With this, kailangan mo lang talagang tutukan and make sure na maayos siya on one go. Kasi kapag hindi, ang hirap niya tanggalin. Kapag in-apply mo siya sa lips mo, very soft, very lightweight ng feeling. So far, so good. Hindi perfect yung pag-apply ko ng lipstick ko. Pasensya naman, but that's alright. Gagamitin ko pala itong shade na to as my highlighter dito sa cheeks ko din. And tingnan natin kung maganda siya. Okay. Actually, maganda siya, guys. Kapag fan brush yung gamit mo, hindi yung precise na brush, mas maganda siya tingnan. Actually, that's looking really good right there. Wow, the highlight is not bad at all. Anyway, I will be wearing this makeup look hanggang mamayang gabi and tingnan natin kung ano magiging itsura niya by the end of the night. It is now 11:34 ng umaga. I'll update you guys later. Hello! It is now 9:09 ng gabi. So, it's the end of the night, you guys. And yes, my lipstick looks like a mess. Niretouch ko actually yung lipstick once after ko kumain ng lunch kasi I needed to film the intro of this video. And after ko kumain ng lunch, nag-fade na yung lipstick. Hindi ganito katsaka. Nag-fade na yung inner corner niya, pero again, hindi ganito katsaka. Kasi this is after dinner, and then after dinner, kumain pa ako ng corn as a snack. So, like, alam nyo naman yung corn, like, yun yung kain talaga. So, ito yung nangyari sa kanya. Hindi siya kasing long-lasting nung isang shade na meron ako, yung 205. And also, hindi ko din sure kung FDA approved siya. Someone did comment on one of my videos na FDA approved na daw siya, but I'm not sure kasi some of you guys comment as well na hindi siya approved until now. So, I'm not quite sure. Hindi siya ganun ka-long-lasting. Nag-bleed na din siya outside my lip line so ng konti. Again, kumain ako ng corn. So, that's probably why. Pero pag retouch sa kanya, sobrang dali lang. Naglagay lang ako ng 1 layer sa baba. Tapos, ginanon ko yung lips ko and okay na siya. Hindi siya naging patchy, hindi siya naging weird. Kasi diba yung ibang liquid lipstick kapag ni-retouch mo, nagiging mas lalong tsaka tingnan. Kailangan mo talaga i-remove lahat before ka maka-retouch. With this one, not a problem at all. So, that's alright. Now, sa brows naman, looks the same. I really like the eyebrow product, yung from Daiso. Mura lang siya, guys. And look at that. And para sa akin, okay na okay din siya. Match na match siya sa buhok ko. So, okay na okay sa akin yung eyebrow product. The highlight, I really like. Like, hanggang ngayon, nandito pa din yung highlight, sa mukha ko. And as you guys can see, nag-oil up na ako ng konti. Pero yung highlight nandito pa rin. Sa ilong ko, nawala na yung highlight kasi I have been rubbing my nose. And then, sa eyeshadow naman, okay naman yung eyeshadow, guys. It didn't move, actually. Tapos, hindi din nag-crease. Well, nag-primer din naman ako. Pero, okay lang siya, ha? Hindi nga lang siya, like, beginner-friendly. Kasi wala dun sa isang palette lahat ng kailangan mo. But if you're someone na, like, meron na nung mga basic, like, transition shade. Tapos, kailangan nyo lang ng ganito, yung accent lang, lid color. It's good kasi mura na siya. And ang lalaki pa, guys, yung ibang murang eyeshadow, mura kasi sobrang kukunti lang. Pero ito, ang dami mo na makukuha. Hindi nga lang lahat ng shades okay. Yung white na hindi ko ginamit kasi hindi siya okay. Pero the rest, okay naman siya. Yung black, it's not the most pigmented black out there. Hindi din siya completely matte. But it stayed on my lids. So, okay lang naman siya. For the price, okay lang siya. And then, sa mascara naman, so far, so good. Hindi niya na-maintain yung curl ko. Pero hindi naman siya as in sobrang gumanon. You know what I mean? Like, it stayed right at the middle. Hindi siya sobrang curled. Hindi din naman siya what do you call that? Nag-fold down. Yeah, you guys know what I mean. Pero hindi siya nag-smudge. Nandun pa din siya. My lashes still looks really separated. And ang ganda pa ng packaging niya. And for 99 pesos, okay na okay siya para sa akin. And then, the eyeliner. The eyeliner is actually good. If you're someone na mahilig sa ganitong eyeliner, mahilig sa ganitong applicator, yung hindi nahihirapan at all, go for this one. Hanggang ngayon, nandito pa din siya. I cannot say it is 100% matte. Definitely not. Pero it's very, very black. Very pigmented. Hindi siya nagbitak-bitak at all, which I like. Kasi yung previous eyeliner na ginamit ko, nagbibitak-bitak siya right after applying it, and it's no good. For the price, 99 lang. And yeah, it's good. What else did I use? What else did I use? Yun na! Yung pinaka-favorite ko, actually, mayroon akong dalawang favorite. Yung pinaka, like, number 1 talaga is yung Daiso na eyebrow pencil. I can see myself using this regularly from now on. The eyeshadow as well that I used as a highlight, I really like, but I cannot see myself, like, reaching out for this eyeshadow just to get the highlight. You know what I mean? Kasi mas madali yung highlight lang. You know, maybe some days I will go look for this and like just get that freaking highlight right there. Kasi mahirap siya i-ano sa brush na hindi na-touch yung iba. Kasi diba, fan brush yung ginagamit ko. I need to be careful na hindi ko ma-touch yung ibang shades. You know what I mean? So it's not as convenient, pero it's really good, the highlight. My least favorite would have to be the Menow. Again, it's not bad. It's really not that bad at all. It's just that parang mas nagustuhan ko yung isa and mas prefer ko din yung shade ng isa. It's nude, so it's good for everyday. This one, I do not know, like, when am I gonna use this? Like, after pa kumain, tsaka siya tingnan. So, you know, pero again, walang problema pag retouch. I'm not that person na nag-retouch lagi. Like, sobrang tamad ko mag-retouch. Pero hindi siya masama. For the price, like, I think this is only 55 pesos or 50 pesos. So, not bad at all. And that is it for this episode of Maganda Ba Ang Mura. Again, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Hit the subscribe button below. It's free. It's gonna take you a few seconds. And I will really appreciate it. Yes. And I hope to see you guys in my next one. Do not forget to be goodbye. Yung benefit na goop proof. Bakit ako nahihirap ang i-pronounce yung benefit? Oh my gosh, I'm hopeless. Menow kissproof long lasting. Hala, mahirap siya i-open. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Oh, wow.